2021 Ram 1500 Hemi. Hemi. It's the Patriot Edition. Really beautiful color, really beautiful truck. We got something different on this one for you guys. Got manifold converters there and there, stop. Then it wires into a single, then 3.5 inch pipe. We put a 3.5 to 3 inch B2 Fabrications. It's made, I guess, for Dodge or for Rams. It's a really nice design, really, like they went into the fabric. But it's supposed to be a bolt-on, but it didn't fit right, so we had to chop it up to make it fit. B2 Fabrication. We'll see if we can find you a link in the description. That's the old muffler there. That's the new muffler in its place. And then it comes with 2 tailpipes. We cut them and put new ones in. There and there. That comes part of the kit. He didn't want any clamps, which I don't blame him. There's the original 2 resonators. They did delete the resonators with those 2 pipes. And they come with massive 5-inch tips, which Ram should have done from the start and put them on those trucks compared to the 4-inch that comes originally. So like you guys see, looks really nice, fills up the gap nicely. And like always guys, please subscribe to help us keep going. 2016 Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi. What we got done on it for you guys. Got the factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single. Then it goes into 3-inch pipe all the way back. Then the customer brought us a Super 44 series FLOWMASTer, part number 9430452. We'll have a link in the description for it if you guys want to purchase it. So you have to take it to a professional shop to install it because it's got a sleeve you have to add to it to be able to take that behemoth muffler off that comes on them and replace it with that FLOWMASTer 40 series. Then we continued their original Y-pipes setup, or not Y-pipe, tailpipes, sorry guys. Their original tailpipes. And then we added 5-inch rolled black tips that should come from the factory like that, but they don't. It looks so much cleaner, so much nicer, as you guys agree. And like always, please subscribe, comment, and like our videos so we can keep producing more and more of them. I hope you guys like it. And this is the muffler we cut off. It's gigantic. Nobody likes that muffler. 2012 Dodge Ram Hemi 5.7 liter V8. What we got done, still got factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single. It's got 3-inch exhaust all the way back. And we did a muffler delete on it, 3-inch into 2.25, because his tailpipes are 2.25. And then he's still got the factory resonators on it, there and there. He didn't want it too loud. And factory tailpipes. There's that massive muffler we cut off right there. That's what it looks like, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe, please. There it is. That's how you do a muffler delete on these. As you guys can see. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Much better. Ram Bighorn Edition. Wow. That sounds good. There's sound decibels again. Right at 109. Oh man, that sounds so good. B2 Fabrication. That sounds so good. What do you guys think? Let me know. I like it. It sounds deep. There's that muffler and tips and everything we got. Let you guys hear on that. Much better. And again, guys, I forgot to tell you, we let the resonators on too. Very nice. out 107, 108. Go ahead and back it out. You gotta take the resonators off. Make it louder. It doesn't sound too bad now, but it needs the resonators off. But those, man, that's how the tips should come, you know? It looks so much better with it. That sounds so good. FLOWMASTER Super 44. And 5-inch tips with the resonator still on. And what year is it again? 2016 Ram 1500. Let you guys hear on the inside. Is that better? Oh yeah. Yeah, they were probably towing stuff with it. Again? Muffler delete. Dodge Ram 114. Even with the stock resonator still on it. We took that muffler off.
I can still go through mine.
Oh yeah, of course.
Okay.
We don't do anything illegal, man. Everything's legal. That sounds really nice. What do you guys think? Let us know. I love it. I think it sounds phenomenal. Dodge never disappointed. Ram never disappointed. Look at that. That's throwing. He's happy. Are you happy? Hell yeah. We'll let you guys hear on this. 2020 Ram B2 fabrication, I think it was. We can add it to the list of exhausts we've done on these trucks. He brought his own and we put it in for him. That's what it sounds like. B2 fabrications. Comes with a 5-inch tips. That thing burned. Oh man, that sounds so good. Wow. 2016 Ram 1500. Beast. It was a 2016, sorry, not a 2012. 2016 Ram, no Dodge. Ram 1500. 5.7 liter, single cab. It's a nice truck. Hopefully he'll get on it. We did a muffler delete on it. There's the muffler. Let's see it pounce. Is it gonna pounce? What do you guys think? Gonna fly? We don't know. I know it's gonna do something. And traffic is back to normal because the snow is gone. There it is. At idle. Muffler delete with resonator still on it. Stock tailpipes. And we're wasting a lot of time. There we go. That's what they all should sound like. That sounds really good. Hope you guys like it.